Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how we planted our tomatoes, and now they are at the stage they are flowering, and yeah, we're about to show our money. Yeah, it has been a hectic journey. Please stick around, watch this full video. If you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and let's watch this video together. My friend Erina visited us and she found us transplanting our tomatoes and she had to join us. Yeah, she did a great work. Let's watch the video.
Guys, second example, mix the soil, remove the big lumps. Big lumps, because tomatoes don't like air. I'm now an experienced farmer.
Erina the farmer.
Erina the farmer. Make a big hole. Make sure these hard things, the big ones are not there because they are not friendly with tomatoes. Then you get a tomato. A what?
A tomato.
Get a tomato
Those tomatoes don't understand English.
that has some soil. Put in, add the soil.
And do not exceed the first leaf.
Do not exceed leaf like some good centimeters below the first leaf. After, make a hole around the tomato. Oh, this one is sleeping already.
Yeah, you have also planted that one which didn't breastfeed.
Then add, this is equivalent to 10 grams. Add it around.
Or a tablespoon.
Yes. Add it around. And that's it. So
you
guys,
cover and then you do the watering.
Then you do the watering. So, see you when the garden is done. You know, when you are videoing, you cannot work very well. So you guys, bye-bye. See you when the garden.
So we did the transplanting and until it was late in the evening. Wow, it was just a heavy evening for us, but we did it. But guys, in the morning all the tomatoes looked dead. As you can see, they just looked lifeless, and to make matters worse, it didn't rain for some time. We had to resort to watering them every day, in the morning, in the evening. We had to go for watering, as you'll be seeing in the video. Yeah, but I learned that everything will never come on a silver plate. You have to work hard, yeah, to get it. No wonder tomatoes are expensive. It's because we go through a hard time to to bring them to life. Just look at the garden, everything looked dead. Yeah, anyhow, we just had to go and do the watering, and we did some mulching. We had to cover the plants, supported them. It took us a lot of time, but yeah, we got it. And after 2 weeks, yeah, this is how they looked. They were now healthy. We did a lot of spraying, to control diseases. And after spraying, we could also dig around to control the weeds. As you can see, we planted them in rows, and yeah, they are healthy. They were healthy, and they are in their vegetative process, and they're about to flower as for now. And in the next part, we shall see how big they are. Continue watching the video. I hope it encourages you to do the things that you feel are really hard to do. Yeah, it was our first time to do this venture, but yeah, it's really great. Yeah, look at the tomatoes. They give us hope that they're going to be beautiful. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Yeah, we also have content about marriage, relationship. Yeah, and we do this to yeah, show you how we can have food in our community, in our homes, and we have the surplus for sale. Yeah, so right now that is how they look. They are flowering, and you can see we have already put the sticks around them, meaning they are heavy. They can no longer stand on their own. Some of them are still, we are still, putting more sticks around them to support them so that if they flower, they will not be falling down. Yeah, that's far the Lord has brought us. It's a good venture. I'd encourage all wives, maybe husbands, to try it out. It's really good, though it's a bit tiresome, but we shall see. I'll give you guys update about these tomatoes. We shall calculate together how much we have invested in them and how much we shall probably collect out of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, wow, it's today, and I remind you and request you to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.